Today's the day that we are starting to prepare for the day I've been waiting for what, 3 years? Something like that. I don't know. We're building a show truck. It's a real deal. We're not doing no 24x14. That was cool last year. If you guys are following my Instagram, you probably know it. A couple videos ago, I posted the rims that we're putting on this thing. Absolutely massive. We're doing a full. I don't want to say the height yet because I don't want to give it away, but the rims and tires, 26x16, 38s, all that good stuff. I've been waiting for my lift for about 3 months now. I'm still waiting on shocks. They should be coming here within a couple weeks by the time the powder coat's done and all that. I was also waiting on these, some good old jack stands. Appreciate you, Andrew, to Christo, and Dave. Finally got these. We're going to take the truck up. Tonight is the first night we're going to move Cody's truck. It's third gen. We're getting out of the garage, and we're putting this up there. It's going to be posted up for a couple weeks. You guys always probably see me wear these off-brand shirts, no diesel shirts, no performance shirts or whatever. I don't buy shirts. I don't buy shoes really anymore. I don't spend money on really anything. It's all for this thing right here. It's so weird. It's gonna be like the last time this truck is home for like a month. Hopefully less, but probably like a month. Cody's truck. We gotta get this thing out, and I guess we're parking over there. And that's where she's gonna sit. When I went to Daytona, I had like 10 people ask me why. Well, because they're off the grid. Plus, if I ever put them back on, this thing will look absolutely so skimpish that it won't even look normal. That makes sense. Actually, they don't look too bad clean though. For what they are, for a -9 cast with plastic caps on 37 boggers, they don't look too bad. Only when they're clean though. They have to be clean. Tires are off. We're gonna start working on the brakes. On the way home from Daytona, we smoked a deer. First and only deer I've ever hit with this truck. Smoked it doing 45 miles an hour. Didn't hurt the bumper at all. Literally 0 dents whatsoever. I mean, the fog light itself is fine, just bend it down. This part. I don't want any Lightning McQueen mods going on here, or Ka-Chow mods, or whatever you want to call them. In order of not crashing my truck, spend a little bit extra money on the replaceable, regreasable, rebuildable billet ball joints. Just gotta get the ball joints out and drop the axle maybe tomorrow. Ruin my video.
Oh, it's already drained?
Nope. Are you getting the action, Bree? Mm-hmm. Get right up underneath here.
Get in there. Oh, yeah.
Cute.
Dane, you want to weld the diff?
Yeah, get the welder.
Weld the front diff. Mountain Dew got
spray in your eyes.
My dad did that shit once, dude, with bee cleaner or bee killer, bee spray.
Had a stroke.
Bee cleaner.
It's a meat cleaner.
Bee cleaner.
Oh, okay. We'll get the shock out. Guys, I know you're technically supposed to take the top or the shocks out of the top of the shock tower. But I kind of screwed myself over undoing the bottom bolt. Kind of unsprung a little bit and pushed the tripod or whatever you want to call it, the basket. It pushed it up into the AC lines, so I couldn't get it out. So I needed to do it that way just to release some pressure. Second coil. You guys are probably thinking about marking my keys here. There's no sense in doing that. The whole axle is getting powder coated, so if you're thinking about that, nope. You're wrong. Front and rear axle out. Take out the leaf springs and be good for the whole disassemble. Ship this shit off to powder coat here in 2 days and we're good to go. Get the leaf springs off.
This is a family video, no fucking swearing.
Yeah, I usually cut it out. Just roll them. Yeah.
Dude, you know Brandon? Whether like,
Yeah, like that guy's a loose cannon.
not that one.
Who's got an oven big enough to powder coat that?
You got the heavy, yeah.
Chill.
Know how to shift it under pressure. Like that was such a fast log.
Alright guys, we got everything loaded up, got the bushings out of the leaf springs, all that stuff. Everything's loaded up, specialties, axles, all the black BDS parts, all good to go. I'm an absolute mess, I'm exhausted. Truck is sitting up on jack stand still, obviously. We're gonna take this stuff to powder coat tonight. It's gonna be a long night. We're gonna go take it, drop it off, come back. It's gonna be like, I don't know, what, 10 o'clock before we get back. And then I'll see you guys on the next one. And hopefully the powder coat will be done by then. Hopefully we'll have the shocks, the rest of the lifts, all that stuff good to go. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you on the next one.